So we are going to look at how to convert to these units, or from one unit of length to another. Now there's a general formula you need to know. You should remember this always. You should know it. You should remember it. So this is it. So 1000 millimeter equals 100 centimeter equals 10 decimeter equals 1 meter. So this is it. 1000 millimeters equals 100 centimeters equals 10 decimeters equals 1 meter. This means 1000 millimeters equal to 1 meter. 1000 millimeters equals 10 decimeter. 1000 millimeters equals 100 centimeter. 100 centimeter equals 1 meter. So they are equal to always, in always, whether to the left or to the right. So they are equal. So the best way to utilize this is to have a question and then deal with it. So let's look at some questions. So with our first question, we have convert 500 centimeters to meters. So let me just put our general formula here. (1000 millimeter equals 100 cm equal to 10 dm equals 1 m. So what do we need? We need centimeter and meter. You can see 100 centimeters equal to 1 meter. So 100 centimeter equals 1 meter. Now, how do we convert this? We know that 100 centimeters equals 1 meter, but 500 centimeters equals what? That's what we don't know. So what do? We write 500 centimeters right under the centimeter equals, we don't know. So let's represent what we don't know with the variable cx, and we do a cross multiplication. Now, in order not to make a mistake, what you do is that you always write the centimeter under the centimeter, and they cancel out. So basically that's what you do. Then you cross multiply 100 by x. You're going to have 100x equals 500 times 1 meter is 500 meters. Divide both sides by 100 over 100. This cancels this. 100 here 1, 100 here 5. So your answer is going to be 5 meters. As simple as that. Let's look at our second question. Convert 25 millimeter to decimeter. Now, from our formula, 1000 equals 10 dm. Here's what you do. 1000 millimeter equals 10 decimeter. So let's look at your question and pick those two units you are told to convert to. What you have is millimeter. You put millimeter under millimeter. So 25 millimeter equals, we don't know. Let's represent it with y. Millimeter cancels millimeter. Let's do our cross multiplication. 1000 y equals 250 decimeter. Divide both sides by 1000 because we want the value for y. 1000 cancels 1000. We have y equals 0 cancels 0. Then we have 25 over 100. 25 over 100. Now what do? We move twice. 1, 2. And bring your point. So you're going to have 0.25 decimeter. As simple as that. So you're going to have 1000 y equals 250 dm all over 1000. Then y equals 25 over 100. Here the 0 cancelled and another 0. So you're going to have 0.25 decimeter. So with our next example, this is what we are trying to solve. We are converting from 0.5 decimeter to meters. Now, for decimeter to meters, we have 10 decimeter equals 1 meter. So we put decimeter under decimeter. 0.5 dm equals, we don't know, so let's represent it with a. Dm cancels dm. You have 10a equals 0.5 m. over 10 over 10. A equals, you're going to move one more time, so you're going to have 0.05. Then our next one is convert 2000 meters to millimeter. 1 meter equals 1000 millimeter. So meter is going to be under meter here. So 2000 meters equals, let's say B. Meter cancels meter. You have B equals 1000 millimeter by 2000. So B equals, now when you're multiplying and there are a lot of zeros, multiply the numbers, as in multiply the numbers and leave the zeros. 2 by 1 is 2. Afterwards you count the number of zeros, 1 2 3 4 5 6, so times 10 exponent 6 millimeter. Now never forget your unit. You should always remember to introduce your unit, otherwise your answer might be, there might be deduction of marks when you don't put the unit there. So with our next example, set of examples, we have 50 decimeter to centimeter. Now with decimeter, 10 decimeter equals 100 cm. Let me just write it again to remind you. 1000 millimeter equals 100 centimeter equals 10 decimeter equals 1 meter. Now you have 50 decimeter. Decimeter is supposed to be under decimeter equals, so let's use C. Decimeter cancels decimeter. 10C equals 50 times 100. 5 times 1 is 5. You have 3 zeros, 1 2 3 over 10 over 10. 0 cancels 0, so C equals 500 centimeter. Now you have 0.02 centimeters to meters. 1000 millimeters equals 100 centimeter. So 0.02, you put centimeter under centimeter, 0.02 centimeter. So we don't know, so let's represent with, let's say, D. So centimeter cancels centimeter. So cross multiplication, we are going to have 100D equals 0.02 times 1000. So 100D equals 100D equals, you have 0.02 times 1000. So with 0.02 thousand, you are going to move thrice backward. 1 2 3. So you're going to have 20 over 100 over 100. This cancels this, this cancels this. So D equals 0.2 millimeter. Now you can try this and put your answers in the comments so that we all see or compare if we were right or we were wrong. If we were wrong, we just help ourselves to make it right. Okay. Now I want to look at another form of conversion, which is converting from kilogram to gram. 1000 grams equals 1 kilogram. Now after doing this, we are going to look at how to convert from kilogram per meter to gram per centimeter, and so on. Over here we know that 1000 grams equals 1 kilogram. This is simpler compared to what we did initially. All the same, it's good. So we have 5000 grams to what we don't know, so represented with x. J cancels J. 1000 x equals 5000 kilogram, because 500 times 1 kilogram will give you 500 kilogram over 1000 over 1000. You have all the 3 zeros cancel the 3 zeros. 5 over 1 is 5, so 5 kilogram. Then our next question, 45 kilogram 2 grams. 1000 grams we know is equal to 1 kg, so 45 kilogram and a kilogram and a kilogram presented. So let's represent, so if 1000 grams equals 1 kilogram, what is equal to 45 kilogram? We don't know, so represent with x. Kilogram cancels kilogram. You have 45, x equals 45 times 1000 grams. X equals 45,000 grams.